L850. This is probably the biggest motor we're going to fly today. An L850 set up 300 feet away. Rocket is 9 feet long, 4 inches in diameter. It has altimeter deployment, and in fact it has dual deployment. It will put out a drogue chute at the top, and then come down at 1,000 feet to go, it will put out the main chute. The rocket is supposed to go 12,800 feet. Got a nice perfect day for it, so let's punch a hole in the sky. C1 is armed. We have continuity. C1. There we go. Skies are clear, no aircraft. Everybody pay attention, you won't want to miss this one. White smoke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.